Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. Today Tesla is going up almost 4% the time I'm recording this video, and this is not a big surprise for us here. We were already expecting that Tesla would go up this week. Last Friday I did a very nice bullish thesis on Tesla. I really recommend you guys watching my Friday's video. I did a very nice job explaining why I thought Tesla would go up this week. I based my thoughts and insights on technical analysis, price action, statistics, historical data, and much more. I really believe you guys are going to like my bullish thesis. And right now, today is Wednesday, so the week is not over yet. We still have 2 more days to go. So Tesla still could drop. Yes, it still could drop, but so far so good. So far we are doing accordingly to the plan. So let's take a quick look at Tesla's charts. And if you are already my subscriber, remember to click on the like button because you know that our content is good. Remember to support this channel. If you are new around here, well, I will update you guys every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on Tesla and many other stocks, indices, and etc. I think you're going to like this video. Now let's take a look at Tesla charts. Let's study the daily chart first. Look at this. Monday's candle, in my humble opinion, was a very great opportunity to buy, and I told you guys this on our Monday's video. It did confirm a very nice bullish candlestick pattern. Call it hammer candlestick pattern. Hammers are bullish reversal patterns. Statistically speaking, they have more chances of working as a reversal, as a bullish reversal. Of course, the odds are not that high. However, in my experience, when we see hammers near support levels, the odds increase dramatically. Last time Tesla did a hammer near a support level was this, December 21. So yes, we have a quite interesting and powerful bullish candlestick pattern in the daily chart. But what's even more interesting is that Tesla did a very nice bullish chart pattern in the 1-hour chart. Look at this. This is called bullish pivot point. It triggered a pivot point. What is a pivot point? It's just a lower high followed by a lower low. Let me find the right tool over here. Let's see the path to see. When we see the price doing this, lower highs, lower lows, it is a trait of a bull trend. Okay, every single bull trend is made of higher highs, higher lows. Yes, we are gonna see corrections, and that's expected, that's natural, it's fine. However, corrections are going to make bottoms higher than the previous bottoms. That's a very healthy bull trend in the 1-hour chart. We can see it even better in the 15-minute chart. See, it's clearly in a bull trend, respecting the EMA in the 15-minute chart. So yes, that's fantastic. That's very good. Tesla is indeed for a fact in a bull trend in the short term. Okay, we already reversed it. The question is if we are going to reverse in the mid-term as well and see Tesla jumping in the daily chart too. I believe we will, because not only because we have a bull trend in the short term, not only because we hit a support level over here, but we have even more indicators. See, we did on Monday an exhaustion gap. How I know it was an exhaustion gap? Because Tesla did this gap, it dropped sharply. We hit the previous support level at 854 down here, 1, 2, 3 times, and we filled this gap for good 2 days later. Okay, so that's it. It was a gap that was filled very quickly, that appeared after a very strong bearish leg and after Tesla retested its support level. So yes, I was already watching this gap and I was already thinking, man, this must be an exhaustion gap. If this gap is going to be filled in the next 48 hours, it will confirm the idea of exhaustion. As the name suggests, an exhaustion gap suggests exhaustion, and since it is dropping, since we are talking about a bear trend, the exhaustion comes from the bears, okay? The bears are already exhausted. Tesla dropped a lot over here since it stopped at 1208. So that's great. Tesla did this gap, this exhaustion sign, and followed by this exhaustion sign, it did two very strong bullish reversal patterns, one hammer, one candlestick reversal pattern in the daily chart and one short pattern in the 1 hour chart. If you look in the weekly chart, see how beautiful this is. Tesla went up sharply in November, then thanks to Elon, which was selling his shares, and the market also tanked. So, alright, Tesla is gonna drop. Tesla is gonna drop. However, I was not convinced of a bear trend, and I told you guys this. Guys, I don't believe Tesla is going to crash or engage bearish right now. What is really expected is that we're gonna see Tesla moving sideways. It is a time correction that we're talking about. It's not a price correction. It's not the price that is going to crash. It's just the price will move sideways, more like sideways, waiting for the 21 EMA to catch up with the price, waiting for Tesla to rest for a little bit. This happened here last year. On January, Tesla hit its top, then it rested for many months until the next bullish explosion. Here, last year, I'm so sorry, 2020, Tesla did the exact same thing. It went up nicely, then it rested for a few months from August to November. Here Tesla rested for almost 1 year, right? From January to October. So, okay, it rested for a little bit longer. So, if we see Tesla moving sideways from here for the next few weeks, for the next few months, that's fine. Tesla is just resting, waiting for the next explosion to occur. As far as I know, every single time Tesla retests its support level around 900s, it is an opportunity to buy. And in my humble opinion, what Tesla did yesterday was one of the best opportunities I have ever seen. It was a very rare buy opportunity. I'm going to analyze the indices, the S&P and the NASDAQ today as well. I'm going to do 2 videos today again because, well, I think it is a very good moment to do more videos, to give more content to you guys. So I really recommend watching this video on the indices so you can understand how Tesla fits in this situation, okay, in this gigantic puzzle we see around. But right now, as far as I know, okay, we retested a support level. Clearly Monday's movement was an overreaction, was a sign of panic selling along with euphoric selling, because that candle is not normal, especially when you look at the indices. A candle like this is simply impressive, and it's even more impressive how, even in very stressful moments, Tesla behaves according to the technique. See, even in a very stressful scenario, Tesla just dropped it to retest this support level down here, and now we bounced it back up. So this is why price action is amazing, not because we can use it to predict the future, because we can't. That's a very wrong insight many people have on technical analysis. TA and price action are not supposed to work in a predictive way. They are supposed to work in a reactive way. When we analyze charts, we have a good understanding of how the market is reacting, of what the market is thinking, what the smart money is doing. And when we see a huge shadow like this on Monday's candle, just try to think about it for 1 second. Tesla opened it doing a gap, okay? It opened it lower, and then it got crushed even more. The time we retested this support level, clearly buy force appeared. The buyers came, the bulls came, and then they made such an impressive movement, and Tesla ended up doing a bullish candlestick pattern by the end of the day. Yes, it was still dropping. However, the candlestick was very good and very powerful. It is telling us clearly that people are buying here, especially below the 900s, okay? Because below the 900s, it seems Tesla is just way too cheap to ignore, all right? So yes, I will still stick with my bullish thesis, and my next target, I have 2 targets in Tesla, all right? My short-term target and my mid-term target. In the short term, I expect Tesla hitting this red line next This red line is at $999. However, I believe we are going to go a little bit higher to the 1K. The 1K is a more symbolic price level. And then we'll see, right? Maybe Tesla will do a correction, another correction, and that's fine as long as Tesla drops, but its bottom is still above the previous bottom. All right, that's just fine. Again, as far as I know, it will be probably an opportunity to buy. And then if it holds in a support level, all right, 11.15 is our next target, and that's my that's my mid-term target. Okay, so short-term speaking, 1K, mid-term speaking, 11.15. I do believe both targets are gonna be hit. I just don't know when or how. Maybe Tesla is gonna do another pullback in the 1-hour chart before it can hit the 1K over here. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know how Tesla will react in the future. I do not need to know. All I need to know is that I am following the momentum, and right now Tesla is just starting its reversal. Now you might be asking, there's still time to buy Tesla. If you are out of Tesla, I think yes, I think there is still time. Of course, the optimal buy was here near this hammer pattern, or was when Tesla broke this pivot point in the 1-hour chart, but I still believe the risk-reward ratio makes sense. I do not see Tesla dropping below these support levels down here, and I am way more optimistic, so I'm much more bullish than bearish in Tesla, and that's how I see it. My friends, I hope this video helped you, right? Are you still watching this and you are not my subscriber? Hey, remember to subscribe, alright? You probably liked the content, so subscribe to this channel, click on the like button, and I see you guys next Friday on our next video here in the Finance Hydra channel. Thank you very much for your support. Farewell.